Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to check your remote control with your phone camera and possibly how to make some repairment on it with household items. So nothing special instrument or tool needed. So first you need a phone with a camera feature equipped. It doesn't matter whether it's a smartphone, it could be a general classical phone like Nokia as well. And you can see the infrared LED is emitting light, but you cannot see with eyes. But the camera is more sensitive to that kind of radiation. That was one. It's another type. Yeah, that was an Android smartphone, and we go ahead with a classical Nokia, an old one. Yeah, it works fine. So this way you can easily check whether it's a problem with your TV or it's a problem with your remote control. And because I suppose you are here because you have some problem with your remote control, right? Or your remote control battery is drained, so you can figure out what's the problem. Let's think that everything fine with some buttons, but some not functional properly. Usually the ones which is used most regular. I will try to demonstrate on this old remote control what's the problem usually. So yeah, it's dirt accumulated during the years here, and it's not a bigger problem, but the bigger problem is inside. Those are the bump pads which are connecting the circuit on the PCB here. Yeah, and hopefully you can see what I see here, that there are some dirts also on the PCB near the contact pads, which is a problem. Usually this makes your remote control to malfunction, and there is a workaround for this. What I will show you is, you can find it every household. Yeah, it's a nail polish remover. It's kind of, you can use solvents or whatever you have at home, pure alcohol or something like that. But you need some tool for this, and a small drop from the remover. And actually we just clean the surface with this solvent. Hopefully you can see on my video as well that it's quite nice after. You can see the dirt. It's on my cleaner paper now. So luckily it's moved from the PCB, or how can I say, we removed it. That's a good word. So basically you go through the PCB, you clean every part of the contact, and this hopefully will help you to get back your remote control in the original state, the original condition. And don't forget to clean the bump pads as well. So you can go with the same method here. Just be careful to clean each pad separately. If you hold it on the back, from the back. It's a little bit easier. Or if you put the paper on the desk and you hold the bump. Yeah. It's a little bit time consuming, but if you have an old TV or a remote control watch that cannot be replaced, then it could be a good workaround for you. And after assembly, you can now easily check whether it works or not with the phone checking method. So good luck, and thank you very much for listening my video, and be back soon. See you.